Howdy guys, this is going to be new system test 8. I've got this basically themed like an old Kohl's store from the, I'd say, mid-late 90s era for the store. You would have had like your notifier, BNG1Rs, or the Firelight BG10s, typical. You'd have your Spectroid Classics, which you'll see what's in the man cave office here in a minute. And say later on you upgrade it in about, the early mid-2000s with advanced series devices. Such as there. And then later on into the late 2000s you put in, replace some more devices with newer devices such as the L series P2RL right there. Well, that's what you'd see this particular Kohl's store looking like, and you get the idea. Anyways, got the SR strobe there as usual. So all the Food City store bathrooms have those, by the way. Notifier BNG1R, system sensor P2RL, as you can see, there's the BG10, Spectroid Classic, which I did go in a Kohl's store before that had the ceiling and wall mount. That had, I think, ceiling and wall mounted Spectroid Classic devices. I remember it very well. Anyways, we'll open up our control panel here, the 5024 Fire Control Communicator by Firelight. Typical for a 90s system. Without further ado, oh, what the heck. Replacement alarm of an older device within the store. Same with that. And that will, and I am going to say this is on. I can look at it from the back. I don't think I'll see it, but 3000 hertz I believe it is in temporal. It's most only, that's how I do that right there. Just as it says. System sensor strobes do not sync. So there we go with that. Now we'll re-verify with this right here. I'm going to try to do something here. Going to do the fire drill button. So I've not done many times in my system test, if ever. There we go. You heard how I wanted you to hear the P2RL L-Series horn strobe by Spectorch System Sensor. And I guess we will test the Simplex smoke made rebranded Hochiki detector. Magnet test. And here we go. Verification. It's funny how that sounds. That'll be it.